Both of y'all get down. Put your arms down. There. Go. Oh. Where's Gio?
Oh, he's in the office. Damn it.
So that's a team building thing too. So what was the hardest game y'all had to play at that Olympics?
The tennis ball one.
No. Passing the tennis ball?
Oh my God, Betty! You have like Oreos everywhere. The tennis ball was hard to pass to like.
Oh, right here?
Yeah, we had to pass
Yeah,
it.
that one was hard. I was confusing it by the golf ball.
The golf ball was easy.
I'm sorry, David, but I'm recording it and then you were doing that.
Oh. Rewind.
Okay.
Who did?